In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily checklist in ClickUp. If you want a simple way to stay on top of repeat tasks every single day, ClickUp makes it easy to build a checklist inside a task and set that task to repeat automatically. This is especially useful for routines, team processes, morning startup tasks, or end-of-day wrap-up items. Let's walk through the process from start to finish in a clear and practical way. First, open the ClickUp list where you want to create your daily checklist. This is important because the task will live inside that specific list, so you'll want to choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, you might place it in an operations list, a personal productivity list, or a team management list. Once you're in the right list, click Add Task, type in a name for the task, and then open it. Try to give the task a clear name that tells you exactly what the checklist is for, since you'll likely be using it every day. Next, scroll down inside the task and click Create Checklist. This adds a checklist section to the task, which is where all of your daily action items will go. After that, enter a name for the checklist itself. A simple, descriptive name works best, so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Now you can start adding your checklist items. Click Add Item and type in each daily activity one by one. These should be the individual actions you want to complete each day. Keep the wording concise and specific so it's easy to check items off quickly without second guessing what needs to be done. After your checklist is in place, click Dates and choose the first due date. This sets the starting point for the task. Make sure you select the date you want the daily schedule to begin, especially if you're preparing it ahead of time. From the same date menu, click the recurrence option and select Daily. This tells ClickUp to automatically repeat the task every day, which is what turns it into a reliable daily checklist instead of a one-time task. Then confirm the recurrence settings and save the due date. This step is important because it locks in the repeating schedule and ensures the task continues showing up each day as expected. Once everything is set up, all that's left is to use it. Each day, open the task and click the checkbox beside each item as it's completed. That gives you a simple, visual way to track progress and stay consistent with your routine. And that's how to create a daily checklist in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.